welcome to Simple Cooking, Made Simple with the Carolina Chef. So this morning, I'm gonna show you guys how to make simple breakfast 3-meat nachos with a super simple homemade salsa. This is so good and so simple. You will love this recipe, and it's you're using up some leftovers. Well, at least I used up some breakfast sausage, some bacon, and some nachos from some previous videos that we did. We did a smoked a smoked brisket nacho, and we also did a cheesy nacho. So make sure you go back and check out those videos. I'll have them in the description below. But man, talk about delicious. This is so packed full of flavor, especially when you're adding that homemade fresh salsa. Now this is what I'm talking about. Let's have some breakfast and let's play. So let's get started. So these nachos, I had leftover shells this week. I've had leftover bacon, leftover sausage, leftover cheese. So the only thing really you need is some scrambled eggs. And usually my ratio to nacho is 1 scrambled egg per. And I've already scrambled these up. And I also did a short little video on how to make your scrambled eggs from not sticking to your pan. So make sure you check out that short little video. It's gonna be less than a minute. So like I said, we're looking for a ratio of 1 egg per nacho. And if it drops in, that's all right. Just put it up there. We want these nice and meaty. And then I also like to put some ham on mine. So I chopped up a little bit of deli ham. So we'll get that put on there. And then also, it's about 1 ounce of sausage, and I'm using a spicy sausage. Like I said, these are super simple, and it's a great way to get rid of some of your leftovers. So if you have some sauteed onions and peppers, it would be good. It's almost like an omelet on a nacho. And then we have our leftover bacon. I'm just going to put 1 slice that I've broken in half. And then we're using a mix of pepper jack cheese and cheddar cheese on top of these. And you know, I love some cheese. So we're going to give it a nice little dose of cheese. And we're going to bake these at a little bit lower temp because there's a lot of stuff on them. So we want to make sure everything's good and hot. The eggs are hot, the sausage is hot, the ham's cold, the bacon's cold, the cheese is cold. So we put our hot items on first and then our cooler items on top because they're going to get the brunt of the heat. So our breakfast tacos just came out of the oven. And you know what would be perfect with breakfast tacos? Some homemade salsa. So we have some tomatoes. There's 3 tomato halves that we're going to put in here. And then I'm going to take 1 lime and just squeeze that juice real good out of this lime. Get that in here. Just kind of squeeze it around. And then for a little heat, we have a serrano pepper with the seeds, a half of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, some fresh chopped cilantro, and then we also have about a teaspoon of salt. And then we're just going to let this work in here for couple minutes on high. So we finished making our salsa. It's nice and lumpy, it has a great flavor, and you can tell this is fresh. Look at that, you got some nice chunks in there. It smells great, it looks great, and man, that was so simple. And then you have fresh salsa, so you can eat this with some chips, some tortilla chips, on whatever kind of Mexican food, burritos, breakfast tacos, nachos, whatever. And you have a nice fresh salsa. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This has been a lot of fun to make. And wasn't that so simple? So simple. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks to all of our subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We'd really appreciate that. And also make sure you do the 3 S's. Smash that like button, share with all of your family and friends, and set your notifications so when we release a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much, and God bless.